Hello, this is a brief tutorial to guide you through discount settings for products. We will demonstrate how to configure a discount and discuss the various options available for discount configuration. We'll begin with a bundle that has been created with two added products, as shown in the ARP review. After adding the products, the next step is to choose the type of discount. There are three options. The first is no discount. If you don't wish to apply a discount to the bundle, simply select this option. The second option is to offer the bundle at a fixed price. For example, if the original price of the bundle is $28.88, but you want it to be sold at a flat rate of $20, just input 20 in the designated field, and the bundle will be sold at a fixed price of $20. The third option is dynamic discounts. If you wish to apply a dynamic discount to the bundle, you can choose to apply it to all the products in the bundle or to specific products only. For instance, if you only want to discount one product and not the other, select non-specific products. Choose the product you want to discount, and then choose the type of discount. It can be a percentage off or a fixed amount off. For example, you might choose a 15% discount, which is calculated automatically. The original price of $28.88 would be discounted to $24.6. In product bundles, the discounts are created through Shopify's cart transformation logic. You can stack order discounts from your store on these product discounts or bundle discounts. However, you can't stack product discounts over bundle discounts as Shopify does not allow stacking two product discounts on the same product. You can exclude the bundle parent product from an order discount by simply excluding it from the discount setup in your Shopify discount section. In summary, there are three types of discounts you can create in a bundle: no discount, fixed price bundle, and dynamic discount. For a fixed price bundle, you set a flat rate for the bundle, such as $20. For a dynamic discount, you have the option to select a percentage or fixed amount off. Thank you for watching. If you need any assistance with this setup, please don't hesitate to reach out to our team.